Hi, I'm Bob. Thank you for joining me in the tutorial on solving the exercises for the textbook Microeconomics Theory and Applications with Calculus, the 5th edition by Professor Jeffrey Perloff. We will address the challenge part of Chapter 14, Oligopoly and Monopolistic Competition. Here's exercise 7.1. In the challenge solutions mathematical model, how much does Firm 1's best response curve shift as the subsidy S increases? We first derive Firm 1's best response function in the Nash-Cournot duopoly model. For a linear market demand curve of P equals A minus B times Q and a constant marginal cost of M, Firm 1's profit pi 1 is as follows. The first order condition for profit maximization is marginal profit equals 0. It leads to Firm 1's Cournot best response function. The subsidy lowers the firm's marginal cost. The after-subsidy marginal cost is M minus S. So Firm 1's Cournot best response function looks like this after subsidy. Next, we consider how an increase in subsidy shifts the best response curve. The partial derivative of Q1 with respect to S equals 1 over 2 times B. It means when we keep other variables constant, a 1 unit increase in subsidy raises Q1 by 1 over 2B units. In other words, as subsidy increases by $1, Firm 1's Cournot best response curve shifts up by 1 over 2B units. Similarly, we can find how much Firm 1's best response curve shifts to the right. It's 1 over B. It is constant with the fact that the slope of Firm 1's best response curve is minus 1 over 2. Let's solve exercise 7.2. Using the challenge solutions mathematical model, how much does Firm 1's profit, ignoring the subsidy, change as the subsidy S increases? We have derived Firm 1's Cournot best response function in the last exercise. At the Nash-Cournot duopoly equilibrium, both firms produce the same quantity by symmetry, so we can obtain each firm's equilibrium quantity and the market quantity. Substituting quantity into the demand function gives the market equilibrium price. If we include subsidy in the firm's profit, we have the firm's profit equation. The partial derivative of profit with respect to subsidy is positive, meaning that the subsidy increases the firm's including subsidy profit. If we exclude the subsidy from the firm's profit, we calculate the firm's profit without the subsidy. the partial derivative of the profit with respect to the subsidy is negative now. It implies that as subsidy increases, the firm's profit ignoring subsidy falls. Thank you for watching this video and solving all the exercises with me. If it helps, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you next time.